sprawling waterfront property on Deerpoint Lake and near Econfina Creek. This is a 1.89-acre parcel with a 5-bedroom/3-bath, approximately 3,131 square foot home and over 300 plus of waterfront. The all-brick home received some roof damage during the hurricane, but has since been repaired. Great floor plan for a growing family with 2 master suites, a formal living and dining room, eat-in kitchen with pantry, a stately fireplace in the family room, and a large Florida room off the back. There is a private boat launch in the backyard ideal for canoes, kayaks, small john boat, and the foundation from the previous boathouse is still intact and could be an easy rebuild. If you have a larger water vessel, there is a public boat ramp on the lake less than a mile from the home. Additional features include a 2-car garage, all kitchen appliances convey, and there are 2 air conditioner units. All info is approximately and must be verified by buyers if important.